Welcome. In this video, I will help you to answer the question, what Android version do I have? So you can easily check what Android installment your smartphone is currently running by launching the Settings app. Next, look for the System or About Phone category. Just make your way to device specifications somehow. Now go into the software information or device information or software specs, something along those lines, or on certain devices you'll be able to find the Android version on the About Phone page directly, which is not true with this particular smartphone that I have in front of me, that is Motorola Razer 60 Ultra. Anyway, from here I'll need to go into the device details, and here is the Android version that my system currently runs, that is Android 15. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.